What's the meaning of comedy of manners? Comedy of manners. Comedy of manners.
Comedy of manners. Comedy of manners. Comedy of manners is a genre of comedy that satirizes the social behavior of a particular group or class of people. It typically features characters from the upper class, who are often preoccupied with social conventions and appearance. Through witty dialogue and exaggerated situations, the genre highlights the superficiality, hypocrisy, and foolishness of these characters. The result is a humorous commentary on the flaws and follies of society, which often leaves audiences laughing while also reflecting on their own values and behavior.